Hide Snapchat friends list. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device over here. Make sure that you're logged into your account, then tap on the chat section. Now, if you want to hide the chat on your Snapchat friends, then make a long press on the profile that you want to hide. Then tap on chat and notification settings, and here you can see the option of clear from chat feed. So tap on clear from chat feed, and this will just clear the conversation from the feed of your chat, not your whole messages or your conversation. So tap on clear, and there you go, you have hidden the Snapchat messages or the chat with that person. Now if you want to remove the Snapchat friends, what you can simply do is simply just search for the person and then tap on their profile and then tap on three dotted lines, then tap on manage friendship, and here you can see the option to remove friend. So as you do that, you'll be able to remove your Snapchat friends as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.